Did you know that scientists recently revived a 4,500-year-old zombie virus from Siberian permafrost? As the Arctic thaws at an alarming rate, what else might be waking up from its icy slumber? This isn't a sci-fi movie plot. It's a real-world consequence of our changing climate. Today we're diving deep into the chilling reality of the melting Arctic and the Pandora's box of ancient pathogens it might be about to unleash. We'll explore what scientists are finding in the ice and what it could mean for all of us. This is one of the most unexpected and potentially dangerous side effects of global warming, and it deserves our full attention. The primary challenge is twofold. First, the rapid warming of the Arctic is causing permafrost, ground that has been frozen for thousands of years, to thaw. This releases immense amounts of trapped greenhouse gases, accelerating climate change even further. But there's a more direct threat lurking within that ice: ancient microbes. These aren't just any germs, they are viruses and bacteria that our modern immune systems have never encountered. Imagine a disease from the time of woolly mammoths re-emerging today. Our current medical defenses might be completely unprepared, posing a significant risk of new epidemics. We're essentially gambling with pathogens that have been safely locked away for millennia. So how is this even possible? Permafrost acts like a giant natural freezer. The cold, dark, and oxygen-free environment is perfect for preserving biological material, including microbes. For hundreds of thousands of years, viruses and bacteria have been trapped in this frozen state. As the ice melts, these dormant organisms can become active again. Scientists drilling ice cores in Siberia and other Arctic regions have found fragments of DNA from pathogens like the 1918 Spanish flu and even smallpox. While many are just fragments, some discoveries, like the zombie virus I mentioned earlier, have shown that these ancient microbes can indeed be revived and can still be infectious after tens of thousands of years. This isn't just a theory. It's a documented scientific phenomenon. Let's look at a real-world case. In 2016, in Siberia, a heat wave thawed a reindeer carcass that had been frozen for over 75 years. The reindeer had died from anthrax, and as it thawed, the dormant anthrax spores were released. The outbreak infected dozens of people and killed a 12-year-old boy, along with over 2,000 reindeer. This was a startling wake-up call. It demonstrated that pathogens can and do survive in the permafrost and can re-emerge with deadly consequences. Now imagine if it wasn't anthrax, a bacteria we know how to treat, but a completely unknown virus from 30,000 years ago. That's the scenario that has scientists genuinely concerned and working tirelessly to understand the risks before it's too late. So, to recap, the melting Arctic isn't just about rising sea levels. It's also a potential public health crisis in the making, as ancient unknown pathogens are being released from the thawing permafrost. The 2016 anthrax outbreak is a stark warning of what could happen on a much larger scale. This is a serious and complex issue, and it underscores the urgent need to address climate change. What are your thoughts on these zombie viruses? Do you think we're prepared for such a threat? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this topic fascinating, be sure to check out my other videos on the surprising impacts of climate change. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the science that shapes our world.